Hello guys, welcome back to another video, well, a short, and I'm just gonna do a little troll with this tiny grappler. Okay, it's still, wow, that goes far. Whoa, oh my, that is, oh my, stuck. That is for a distance. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just one. Whoa. This is actually OP. More OP than the big one. Okay. Let's just go into random lobby. Spam it if it doesn't work. What? Come on.
Can anybody see me?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I can see you.
Of course we can.
Okay, good. How about now? Trading sword for Big Magma Cube.
No, that is not worth it. Bro.
Okay, fine. It's an umbrella too.
Stop it. Still no.
Fine, then I'll give you an actual good treat.
Can I show you something?
Can someone help me
can I show you
sell?
something? Look at this.
Can someone sell something?
I'll do.
Please donate.
I want a pink lamp.
I'll do a proper video
Donate.
on this.
Please
Check out my YouTube channel if you want to see it.
Donate.
I'll